Visher is saying, would you provide me some ways to earn some bucks? I'm broke. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Vishal. So I think the best thing you can do is think about a side hustle, meaning a side job, where you don't produce a product, meaning you create something that's virtual, and then you distribute it on the internet for free. That way you don't have, or not for free, you charge people eventually. That way you don't have inventory concerns. I'm usually very much against people starting companies where you make a product, unless it's just-in-time inventory management or Edward Deming's inventory management system, which means you sell the product first, and then you make it. And whenever you buy a book on Amazon, and this is, I have a lot of students that have written books using my book template, which is free, whatever, but it's prophetic because Phil Germany, he wrote a book called Super Students, and this is the first student of mine that wrote a book and using my template, and he wrote about chess. But the reason I bring it up is because if you look here, whenever you buy something on a paperback on Amazon, it hasn't been printed yet. It gets printed the next day. And so this one here was printed because I live in the great state of California. This was printed in San Bernardino on August 30th, 2019. I bought it probably the day before that. If you live in Europe, it's most likely printed in Poland, because it's closer to that distribution facility. But what Amazon does, and Amazon doesn't just allow you to do this, and it costs you nothing, by the way, to write a book. But Amazon also has this with Amazon Apparel. And I have a wonderful student in my MBA degree program named Rose. And she does this, and she's an expert in this area. And what you can do is you can actually make clothes, sell them on Amazon, then they get made by Amazon or some affiliated party with Amazon. Then you get paid, and it costs you nothing or very little up front. So I would say whatever side hustle official you think of doing, make sure you don't have to worry about inventory or producing a product. And if you do, make sure that it's made to order, meaning you sell it first and then you collect the money first and then you make the product. But I really believe, Vishal, that everybody has something to teach. Everybody does. And I think it's the best side hustle ever invented. And all you need is a cell phone and internet speed, a decent internet speed, which you have because you're watching this. And you can teach from home. It's actually easy to do. A lot of people do it. And I think that, a lot of parents want their children to be doctors or lawyers or engineers. Don't be a lawyer unless you're a civil rights lawyer. Otherwise, forget it. But the problem with being a doctor, engineer, and lawyer, and only do it, by the way, if you love that sort of thing. But the problem with that is that, especially if you're a doctor or lawyer, you can only treat one customer at a time or have one customer at a time. If you're a teacher, you can record it, put it online, and teach billions of people online at the same time, technically speaking. And it can be recorded. And so I'm humbled to say I have students in every country in the world. It's the best business model out there, and it solves every problem in the world. That's right. When one teaches to learn also. But I really do believe that education, along with technology and acceptance, so that's technology, acceptance, education, TEAT, which is my TEDx talk. You can watch online if you want to. I believe that T fixes every problem in the world. I don't believe in sending troops overseas to fight wars we can't win or understand. I believe that society changes from within. I believe that you have a lot of incredible people like Malala that will or have risen up to teach and change society internally where they live using YouTube or other platforms online. Who are we to tell other countries how to run their countries? When I say we, I'm talking about me, Canadian, American, whatever, everything, global citizen. I think if you use education, it solves every single problems. Malala, and I'm sure you're all familiar with her. She was shot for standing up to the Taliban for women's rights, equal rights to education. God bless her. And she was shot October 12th or October 2012, I think it was. Yeah. So she said, with guns, you can fight a terrorist. With books, you can eliminate all terrorism. So I really, really believe it. And anybody can teach. Anybody can do it. Like there's this guy named Ninja, who my kids love, and he makes a fortune every year teaching people how to play video games online. And he used to be affiliated, he used to make millions off of Amazon's video game platform or video platform called Twitch. And recently he signed this massive contract with Microsoft to be exclusive with them. But I bring up Ninja because he started out on Udemy, teaching people, how to use Twitch. And there's so many wonderful inspirational stories of people that improve their lives by teaching online. My favorite story is this woman, Theresa Greenway. And I interviewed Theresa years ago for my my Inc. magazine column. And you can Google it, it's online somewhere, or you can Bing it if you work at Microsoft. Sorry, I had to go there. But Theresa, God bless her, she was in an abusive marriage. She was in an abusive marriage, and she was married to this jerk, and she had many children. She has many children. And what she did was she found the courage to stand up to that jerk, her husband, and leave him. And she left him, and she was living off of food stamps. And she brought a couple of her younger children with her. And she thought to herself, what can I do to, keep the lights on and be able to provide food for my children? And she thought, well, what am I most passionate about in life? And for her, it's baking bread. How prophetic. And so what she did was she's made a ton of courses on how to bake sourdough bread, other kinds of bread, and she's done extraordinarily well. Just doing what she's passionate about. Here it is here. Yeah, she teaches how to bake bread. It's amazing. It's amazing. So she teaches, oh my gosh, driving me nuts, that thing, sorry. She teaches how to bake sourdough bread, fun sourdough bread, just every type of bread you can. I'm getting hungry now, man. Screw the no carbs policy. This looks great. Yeah, so she teaches all this stuff. And she's passionate about it, and that's why she's very, very successful. And we all have something we can teach. And if you're passionate about something, you will be successful at it. But you got to make sure you tell yourself, I don't give a damn if I fail a couple times, and I don't give a damn what people think of me. I'm going to march to the beat of my own drum and do what I want to do and be what I want to be. And I'll never be anybody else's prisoner. That's what you got to tell yourself. You just got to say, I don't care. And the most successful entrepreneurs do that. They don't give a damn what anybody thinks of them. It's liberating. Try it with me. I don't care. I don't care what people think of my hair. It's all gray, by the way, but I've been dyeing it since my 20s. I went gray in my 20s, but it looks so obvious. It's reddish sometimes, like this cup a bit. I don't care. It's just me. I want to be me. So, yeah, I think everybody's got something to teach. And I have to quote Woody Allen. This is awful, but I'm going there. Woody Allen said, those who can't do, like me, those who can't do, teach. And those who can't teach gym class. And I suck at sports too, so you're all out of luck. Okay. I'm just kidding. If I can't laugh at myself, I take life too seriously.